Hello, thank you for stopping by. I am here to help you decide if you want to be a social worker. Please get a pencil and paper, an iPad, smartphone, the palm of your hand or some other device to record and score your answers. Here is your first question. Do you have another source of income besides what you expect to make as a social worker? This could be income from a working spouse, lottery winnings, investments you made in Apple stock when it was $1 a share, or money saved when you were a child. If you answered yes to having another source of income, score 1 point. If you answered no, score 0 points. Question 2. Do you enjoy paperwork to include writing down everything you have done in 15-minute increments? This could include the ability to record people's comments about their parents, siblings, their issues about being a middle child, stories about meeting the president, Captain Kirk, Mr. Rogers, or imaginary friends. If you answered yes that you enjoy paperwork, score 1 point. If you answered no, score 0 points. Give yourself 1 bonus point if you can write progress notes that are not missing location codes, signatures, titles, time, or locations. Question 3. Do you cry easily or suffer panic attacks during times of stress? Stress can include any of the following situations: looking at your paycheck and wondering how you are going to pay your bills, driving a company car that may be carrying bed bugs, listening to someone curse at you for not taking them to the mall or store, for not giving them a bus token. Or how about not caring about them because you won't let them buy lottery tickets with their monthly disability check? Score 1 point if you don't cry easily or have panic attacks during times of stress. Score 0 points if you do. Question 4. Do you have a desire to solve everyone's problems and then have them thank you afterwards, saying that you are the greatest social worker who has ever walked the earth? If you have this desire, score 0 points. If you do not, score 1 point. Question 5. Do you have the following qualities: persistence, patience, empathy, ability to work long hours at low pay, willingness to sacrifice your own personal health and comfort for others, a high tolerance for stress? Do you have the ability not to yell, scream, or pull your hair out when stressed? If you have these qualities, score 1 point. If you do not, score 0. This concludes our quiz. If you scored 4 or more points, then you might have what it takes to be a social worker. If you scored 3 or less points, talk with someone who is a social worker and ask them if they feel you would cut it in social services. Thanks for stopping by and good luck with your career.